Hello folks, Coco Gumpy here. Today we're going to make a sandwich that I can't believe I've not made yet. Classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, the Coco Gumpy way. Please excuse the mask. Everybody in my family is sick and I don't want to get sick. So I'm going to get the ingredients together. We're going to show you how to create this sandwich. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, we have some Welch's grape jelly, some Jif peanut butter, 2 slices of bread, a butter knife, and some butter. We're going to put this thing together and show you how it's done. Stick with me to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Okay, the first step is very simple. 2 slices of bread in the toaster. Push them down in there and we'll let them toast. It'll only take a minute or so. Okay, as you can see, it's beautifully toasted bread. We're going to put a little butter on it. This is the difference. Not a lot, just a little bit. Like that. That's very simple. A little peanut butter on one side, a little jelly on the other side. Don't put too much. Wipe that off before we put it into the jelly jar. I'm doing this off to the side so you can see what's going on. A little bit of jelly. Spread that out nice and evenly. And then the fun part, slap them together. Just like that right there. And there you have it. Toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich, Gumpy style with butter. So, try that. It's real smooth and creamy and you'll really enjoy it. Until the next one, my name's Coco Gumpy. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Be nice to each other. Bye-bye for now.